Hi everybody, this is Dane. Want to give you a couple of videos. I'm actually going to shoot 4 videos, so this will be a 4-part series, 4 separate videos that will be released. So definitely subscribe so you'll get notified each time the videos are released. But we're going to go ahead and shoot the first one on this 2-bedroom, 2-bath single section. Also, make comments. What do you like to see? What else can we be getting for you? Towards the end of the year now, I've got a lot of people calling and say, hey, I want to use my tax refund. Got a lot of incentives going right now. Now, one thing I'll say, we were just meeting with the factory rep. This factory rep here from the Waco 1 factory did mention that prices are going up. So what I would say to everybody is, if you think you want to buy within the next 6 months, come on, let's go pick you out a house, put your $1,000 refundable deposit down so we can lock that price in before it goes up. Let's go look at these houses. Got some great ones to look at for single wides. Let's go. Okay, now this one is by Waco 1 factory down in Waco, Texas. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Just kind of shooting the outside real quick. You can get this in the smart panel, but this one is in the vinyl. Just want you to see the outside, then we'll head in real quick, look at the inside. They're offering a lot more options now in this house, in the anniversary style and the select model. All right, let's go inside, take a look. The one thing they're gonna start doing different, we just found out with meeting with the factory, is they're gonna start switching out these doors. So the ones you order now will have the other style door on them, which I'll show you in just a minute. But this is a real nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath. What a lot of people love about this one is the big island, and you got your little coffee bar over there. Let's go over there and look at some of the cabinets. I love that little window they put in here. Got lots of plug-ins. A lot of people are doing their smoothies and their coffee. But this one offers some really nice cabinets. Let me see if I can get some lights on in here. Hey, that makes it more better. All right, let's keep going here. This island is really nice. If you kind of look over here on this side, I know they got 2 seats up, but I've seen where you can easily get 4 seats up there. As you're looking at the living area, you can see that this has a nice seating area. Plenty of room for your TV right there. As big of a TV as you want. And as you come around here by the island, you got another area right over here with a nice, some might call that a butler pantry. Coffee bar. Let's go over here and look at your laundry, your utility room. Door out the back. This is really nice. I love the color scheme. I did find out too that you can get the hardware for a small upgrade or upcharge. You can get it in the black matte for the sinks and the kitchen, for your faucet here, and then the door handles. That's something they just released, which looks really nice. Let's go back in here. This 2-bedroom is awesome. I love this 2-bedroom, 2-bath model. You can see up here we got a wired and brace if you want to put a fan in with a light. Ceiling fan, that's great. Dual vanities, really nice. Got the transom window for extra natural lighting up there. Lets a lot of light in. Love that. Look at that shower. You can get it with the bathtub or the shower. I love it with the shower. A lot of folks downsizing, they just want 1 tub. They don't need 2. Easier to get in and out. That's what I do at home. I prefer that in the primary bathroom. Your closet, let's see your closet. Big closet. This is a massive closet in here, folks. Got the light in there, which makes it really nice. Got lots of outlets all the way around. Big window in here. Oversized window in the primary bedroom. Bunch of outlets all the way around. If we look right in here, there's your smart comfort heat and air system. Yes, you guessed it, right down there, Carrier. Top of the line, high tech. There's your Ream humongous hot water heater, saving you $500 to $600 a year. These are the Energy Smart Zero Homes. I love this kitchen. I love the island, all the cabinets. Although this one doesn't have a pantry, you've got lots and lots of cabinets. I love the backsplash area, nice contrast. Put in the comments if you think you'd like the black matte faucet or do you like the silver stainless. Or that would be a brushed nickel. Like on your doors here. So you'd have black or the brushed nickel. What do you like better? Put it in the comments. Okay, as we come down here, here's bathroom number 2. Really nice. Tub, shower combination. And then here's the bedroom number 2. Really big. Oh yeah, nice big closet in the second bedroom. Got the big oversized window here. Those open and come in to clean, which is nice. Somebody asked me why those windows in this bedroom are lower. And it is a safety mechanism where you get out the window if you need to. Just lift that window up, pull it in, and out you go if you need to. These are double pane argon gas windows, super energy efficient. One more look at the bathroom here and down to the wonderful island in this 2-bedroom, 2-bath model. Yeah, see, I think if you had the black on the faucets and the hardware, we'll send that in another video, but it just really makes it pop and contrast. But I'd like to hear what you all think. Comment and be sure and subscribe.